Here's how to use Telegram without your phone number. Now, the first thing you need to do, of course, is to head into the Telegram app. So let's open up Telegram here. And let's say I'm creating a new account. So let's just tap on this and hit add an account. I have already my old account, but let's say you're setting up a new account and you don't want to use your current phone number. You have a couple different options on here. Unfortunately, on here, you need to choose a country code and a phone number to set up the account, but it doesn't need to be your phone number on your phone, or if you don't have one, it doesn't really matter. The reason for this is we're going to go into a web browser here, and you can do a couple of different things. You can type in free virtual phone number and hit go. Now, there are a bunch of different options on here. You can see some sponsored links, but also, in my case, I like Google Voice. This depends on which country you're in, because in the United States, if you have a Google account, you can set up a Google Voice. Essentially, this gives you a phone number that you can text and make calls with, etc. You can tap on the 3 lines at the top left here. And then on here, you can see I can go to archive, send messages, call spam, or do my spam, look at spam. And you can tap on the gear icon as well to get into your settings and just hit get a number to create a new phone number. However, this doesn't work everywhere. Google Voice is not available everywhere. So you might need to just go back. Let's go back a couple here. And you can go to some of these other ones like Online SIM. And essentially, this will give you a temporary phone number that you can try for free. You can see a bunch of different ones in a bunch of different countries. Let's say I want one from Ireland. I can tap on it, and you can see this free number that I can tap on it and just get an SMS code texted to that number. Now, keep in mind there is a caveat to this, because let's say if you use one of these numbers and you lose access to your account, the likelihood that you can just go back and verify the same phone number again is pretty slim. So that's why the Google Voice is a lot better of an option.